I don't know.
I'm just going to kick you.
You fucker.
Perfect.
He's doing that because I can't actually hit you back. But I can't actually. Which we done with the
The next station is
Yeah, he's actually weak. I'm not that weak.
So you can't take your shoes off.
No, you go.
Alright guys, you go in first.
Wait. Go, take your shoes off. I'm in trouble.
Ow! Alright, do you reckon? No. Just stop.
There's the car.
Where? Where's Rich? Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Hello.
This train is for London Waterloo and the next station is Staines.
Hello, say hi.
I know you.
I know you. And you. Train's moving. Hello. What's happening there? Finger raising. There's another one there, look. Fingers prancing left, right and centre. Whew. Okay, out of interest, should move in next door. Okay. Which is for going with his laptop again. Strand. Oh, you cunt.